5 Best Canister Vacuums. The item number 5 is Dyson Adapter Converter. Size Dyson Adapter Converter. The new Dyson pet brush adapter is an affordable and very sturdy replacement accessory, suitable for the new Dyson pet brush adapter of Dyson V7/V8, V10. Regarding the problem of the Dyson Adapt 1.Q, why should you choose Dyson Replacement Adapt? The item number 4 is Miele Compact C1 Pure Suction. The Miele Compact C1 Pure Suction is a powerful vacuum in a space-saving design. Packaged with the SPD 285-3 rug and floor combination nozzle, it is designed to clean all your low-pile carpeting and hard floors. The item number 3 is Kenmore 81214-200 Series Bag and Kenmore 200 Series Bag Canister Vacuum, top to bottom clean. Say goodbye to dust bunnies, pet dander and more with the Kenmore 200 Series Bag Canister Vacuum. Powerful yet lightweight, this handy companion features a HEPA filtration system to rid the air of common allergens. The item number 2 is Eureka Muddy Mud Corded. The Eureka Muddy Mud Canister is ideal for quick and efficient cleaning. The popular Mite canister weighs less than 9 pounds and cleans powerfully with the 12-amp motor. Plus it features a blower port to blow debris from garage or workshop floors. The item number 1 is Bissell Canister and Steam Bundle. Cyclonic action and powerful suction provide thorough cleaning. Plus, no more bags to buy or change ever. Easily go from cleaning carpets to hard floors with the flip of a switch. Kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria.